There you go. Imagine yourself as a product marketing professional. Your job is to convey the value of your product or your brand to the market. That's as simple as it gets, the definition of what you do. And that's how you gain the competitive advantage over your competitors. But in reality, what happens is you're buried with outdated data. You're buried with putting out brochures. You're buried with putting out all these repetitive tasks, and you don't have enough time to analyze the market, your customers, your partners, your products, your value proposition, and you're putting out these things to enable your stakeholders like sales, the executives, and a whole bunch of other people who depend on you to make a win in the marketplace. This is no way to run product marketing. So basically, if you take a look at it, your job is to translate the value to the market. The problem is what you need is to be more precise, more timely, more strategic, and you need insights to help your stakeholders and yourself make good decisions. The existing tools are not working. Basically, most of product marketing is fragmented. There are competitive intelligence tools and there are copywriting tools and a whole bunch of other analytical tools. They're not all working with your workflow. They're independent silos of work. And then if you talk about chat AI, I call that, you have the other set of problems. While you can do the analysis, most of the time enterprises are saying the data is not accurate. I can't put that out in front of my C-level executives. Nor am I able to put my company data into chat AI to be able to do the analysis that is forbidden. So the problem is basically something that I've been through for the last 20 plus years. It has been a pain in the neck to train product marketing and others to be more effective in being more strategic rather than being more tactical and do repetitive tasks. And that's why product marketing doesn't get the respect it needs to be more strategic. It has turned out to be just a tactical effect. And so what we're doing is to transform not only external data that people can scrape, but also that very important internal data, your sales calls, your revenue information, your strategies, your plans, your roadmaps, your launch plans. Those are all internal stuff you cannot put out there to come up with a go-to-market strategy. You need to be able to do that across a whole range of different categories. Messaging is tight. Okay, I'll wrap it up in 2 minutes. So the differentiation, you get curated data, you get advanced prompts. We have more than 50 prompts, robust security, and go-to-market team collaboration. Bottom line, we need to take artificial intelligence and help you make it more actionable intelligence, and that's how you're going to change the world in product marketing. And we're doing that. Thank you.